Hello, welcome to Baking Time with Steve. In today's video I'm going to be baking some triple chocolate muffins with ganache filling and chocolate buttercream icing. This was a request from some colleagues and friends at work, so they want to see if I can pull this off. I bet I can. So let's get on with the baking. So let's go through the ingredients list that we're going to be needing today. So we've got here 225 grams of salted butter, 255 grams of caster sugar, 230 grams of plain or all-purpose flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. You'll need 3 large eggs at room temperature, not from the fridge. And you'll need 190 grams of white chocolate and milk chocolate mixed chips, and then you'll need one tablespoon of milk. It doesn't matter if you use whole milk or green milk, or semi-skimmed. Any milk was fine. So first of all, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is gas mark 4, or at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so you'll need a sieve on the bowl. We're going to sieve in our flour, our baking powder, and our cocoa powder. So give that a good knock. That'll go a bit cloudy. So using my spatula, I'm going to gently fold in the dry ingredients to the wet. Now it might seem a little bit dry at first, but it does come together and it does form a nice batter. Just keep mixing. There we go. It does go a bit dry. I'm going to pop a little bit of the milk from the 1 tablespoon that we measured earlier. There we go, it's coming together now. So now that's all folded in, I'm now going to fold in my white and milk chocolate drops. Again, folding in gently as to not knock out that air. Right, so I'm using this ice cream scoop to put my batter into the cases. It gives a nice even amount of cake batter. It will even itself out in the oven. Gives you To finish off these little cupcakes, I'm just going to put some of the remaining white chocolate drops on top. So let's pop these into the oven. For 25 minutes, or until a skewer brings them out clean. To make the ganache, you'll need 300 ml of double cream and 200 grams of dark or milk chocolate chunks. So you want to pour your double cream into a non-stick pan. Heat on medium heat. Okay, so that is just starting to simmer. So once that's boiled, nice and thick, you pour it over your chocolate. And just pour it over your chocolate. Let that melt in. And give that a whisk. Nice thick gooey ganache. So once that is nice and melted in, set aside to cool until it is nice and thick to pipe into the cupcakes. The cupcakes are now ready, so it's coming out clean. So let's let these cool off completely for at least 10, 15 to 20 minutes. I've got these little silver chocolate sprinkles. And there we have it, triple chocolate muffins or cupcakes with a gooey ganache filling and buttercream icing. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's a new channel, so that would really help to boost and help me along. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.